What if I told you that a single person with zero editing skills, no camera, and no expensive software can create a video that gets millions of views in under 24 hours? Sounds ridiculous, right? But here's the reality. Right now, thousands of creators are quietly using AI tools to pump out viral videos faster than entire production teams. And if you're still doing everything manually, writing scripts, recording footage, editing for hours, you're already falling behind. Because the rules of content creation have changed. AI can now write your viral script, generate your visuals, clone your voice, edit the video automatically, predict what content will trend. And today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful AI tools and concepts that can transform you from a struggling creator into a viral content machine. But here's the twist. The 7th tool I'm going to reveal at the end is the same strategy AI content farms use to generate millions of views every week. And once you see it, you will never look at YouTube the same way again. So stay with me, because the last tool alone could change your entire content strategy. Roadmap 7. AI tools that make videos go viral. Here's what you'll learn today. Let's start with the foundation of every viral video. Concept 1. AI script writing, ChatGPT. Problem. Most creators fail before they even start filming. Why? Because writing a compelling script takes time, creativity, and storytelling skill. You sit there staring at a blank screen thinking, what should I even say? And the result? Weak scripts equals boring videos. AI solution. Enter ChatGPT. This AI tool can instantly generate high-retention video scripts tailored for your niche. It understands storytelling, pacing, and audience psychology. Step-by-step use case. Let's say you run a fitness channel. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Step 2. Use this prompt. Write a viral YouTube script about why most people fail at losing weight. Step 3. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a powerful hook, structured talking points, a compelling narrative. Step 4. Now refine it. Ask. Add a shocking statistic and a strong call to action. Suddenly you have a professional script in minutes. Surprise pro tip. Here's the trick most creators don't know. Ask AI to rewrite the script in the style of a viral YouTuber. Example prompt. Rewrite this script in the style of Mr. Beast storytelling. Now your content has pro-level pacing and engagement. But wait, a script is useless if you don't know what topic will actually go viral, and this next tool solves exactly that. Concept 2. AI video idea generators. VidIQ, TubeBuddy AI. Problem. Most creators guess their video topics. They ask themselves, maybe people will watch this? But guessing is the fastest way to waste hours making videos nobody clicks. AI solution. Tools like VidIQ AI analyze millions of YouTube videos and tell you exactly what content is trending. It predicts viral opportunities based on data. Step-by-step use case example. You run a tech channel. Step 1. Open VidIQ. Step 2. Go to AI content ideas. Step 3. Type your niche, artificial intelligence. VidIQ instantly suggests 5 AI tools that replace your job. AI side hustles making $10K a month. I tested 50 AI tools so you don't have to. Step 4. Pick one with high search demand and low competition. Boom, you just found a viral-ready topic in seconds. Surprise pro tip. Look at the competitor velocity score. If a video is gaining views very fast, it's a signal the topic is exploding. Create your own version immediately. Speed matters. But here's the next bottleneck. What if you hate recording your voice? Good news. AI can literally speak for you. Concept 3. AI voiceovers. ElevenLabs. Problem. Recording voiceovers can be frustrating. Background noise, bad microphones, multiple retakes, and some creators simply don't like hearing their own voice. AI solution. Meet ElevenLabs. It generates human-level AI voiceovers that sound incredibly realistic. Some are almost indistinguishable from real people. Step-by-step use case example. Creating a motivational video. Step 1. Paste your script into ElevenLabs. Step 2. Choose a voice style. Calm narrator, energetic speaker, documentary tone. Step 3. Click Generate Voice. Within seconds, you have studio-quality narration. Surprise pro tip. You can clone your own voice. Record 2 minutes of audio. ElevenLabs learns your voice and can speak any script you write. That means you never have to record again. But now comes the real magic. What if AI could turn your script into a video automatically? That's exactly what tool number 4 does. Concept 4. AI video creation. Pictory AI. Problem. Editing video manually can take 6 to 10 hours per video. Cutting clips, adding subtitles, searching stock footage. It's exhausting. AI solution. Pictory AI converts scripts into fully edited videos automatically. Step-by-step use case example. Create a productivity video. Step 1. Paste your script into Pictory. Step 2. The AI scans your text. Step 3. It automatically adds relevant stock footage, background music, subtitles. Step 4. Export the finished video. Total time? About 5 minutes. Surprise pro tip. Enable automatic captions. Subtitles can increase viewer retention by up to 40%, especially for mobile viewers. But don't click away yet, because the next tool is where real creators save massive time. Concept 5. AI video editing automation. Descript. Problem. Traditional editing software is complicated. Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve. For beginners, it feels overwhelming. AI solution. Descript lets you edit videos like editing a Word document. Yes, literally. Step-by-step use case. Step 1. Upload your video. Step 2. Descript automatically transcribes it. Step 3. Delete text from the transcript. When you remove a sentence, the video cuts automatically. Surprise pro tip. Descript has a feature called Remove Filler Words. It instantly deletes awkward pauses. Your video becomes clean and professional instantly. But here's the truth. Even the best video will fail if nobody clicks it. That's why tool number 6 might be the most underrated. Concept 6. AI thumbnail generators. Midjourney, Leonardo AI. Problem. Thumbnails determine 80% of your clicks, but designing thumbnails requires graphic design skills. AI solution. AI image generators like Midjourney can create stunning thumbnails instantly. Step-by-step use case. Example prompt. Create a YouTube thumbnail of a shocked man surrounded by futuristic AI robots, dramatic lighting, ultra-detailed. Within seconds, you get high-quality images perfect for thumbnails. Step 2. Add text in Canva. AI is taking over. Step 3. Export. You now have a click-worthy thumbnail in minutes. Surprise pro tip. Use facial emotions. Studies show thumbnails with strong facial expressions get higher CTR. But everything we've discussed so far is only scratching the surface, because now I'm going to show you the ultimate AI system for creating viral videos at scale. This is the same strategy used by AI content channels generating millions of views. Concept 7. The ultimate viral AI system. AI content automation. Problem. Most creators make one video at a time, but viral channels produce dozens of videos weekly. Humans alone can't keep up. AI solution. Build an AI-powered content pipeline. Think of it as a video factory. Step-by-step system. Step 1. Use VidIQ AI to find viral topics. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. Step 3. Use ElevenLabs for voiceovers. Step 4. Use Pictory AI to generate video footage. Step 5. Use Descript to polish editing. Step 6. Use Midjourney for thumbnails. Total production time? About 20 minutes per video. Real example. Many faceless YouTube channels use this system. Topics like history, motivation, finance, AI news. Some channels upload 3 videos per day and generate millions of views monthly. Secret strategy. The real power is volume plus testing. Instead of guessing what will go viral, you publish many videos quickly and let the algorithm choose the winners. AI makes this possible. This isn't just about saving time, it's about scaling creativity. Creators who learn AI today will produce 10 times more content than everyone else, and the YouTube algorithm rewards consistency and speed. So here's my challenge to you. Use just one AI tool today and create your next video faster than ever before, because the future of content creation isn't human versus AI, It's human with AI, and the creators who understand that first will dominate the next decade of content. If you want more strategies on using AI to grow faster, follow us for more tips and guide, because the next breakthrough tool might change everything.